a full pair. He was all in the side. Ah, he told me he was supposed to have the back tire. That wasn't gonna make no difference.
If they don't take it, that's what.
Yeah.
I just wanted. I was trying to tell him.
Yeah. He was supposed to get the back tire, but he said he didn't want it, y'all. They was trying to give him the back tire, but the dude didn't want it. And he was just looking out. I don't know where the hell to go. We got Swamp Thing in the left lane. My people that's on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Something happened over here in the right lane. I guess something leaking. Yeah, I'm getting hungry now. Ooh, that drink probably kicking in. Big Chief, you still in here? Damn. That's that carburetor right there. That was that that carburetor. Them carburetors will do that, boy.
Mississippi won, bro.
Mississippi.
They got fucked up.
Yeah.
With the goddamn pro mod. Mississippi just won.
Okay.
Damn, they spilled oil.
Who spilled oil? I'm finna go back here and see. Let me see. Hey, who has some sunflower seeds? Hey, man. Them the originals. I thought they were ranch. You ready? Nah, I thought you did. Okay, y'all. I'm finna go back here. Look out, look out, look out. Hey, y'all. Got the security up in here. Damn, man. Well, I'm ready for like a chicken quesadilla with some cilantro. Look out. Hey, girl.